So I got my new thermostat. This one here is the right one for my L48, which is a 195 degree thermostat. And we're gonna drop it right there. A new gasket. And I have water next, so that is all good to go. I'll get these bolts started and then I'm gonna snug them up a little bit and then properly torque them to, I believe it was 20 foot-pounds. So that's next. So at this point, I'm getting ready to reconnect the upper hose. So there's my new thermostat, new gasket, even installed new bolts, and it's looking really good. No leaks. So unfortunately that did not solve the issue that I'm having with the gauge, but anyway, I'm glad that there's no leaks from that one. So the next project is going to be to remove the water temperature sending unit. I got a new one. I just got this one from the auto parts store. I didn't feel like waiting several days for an AC Delco unit. This I got from Advanced, or Advance, I should say. So looks identical. It even comes with a plastic cover for the terminal, so that's good. And again, it's Advanced Auto Parts, and their part number is WT203. So anyway, I didn't want to have to replace that one because of the mess that it's going to make, and you know, the alternative, of course, is to drain the coolant, and that, first of all, that's a mess all in itself, and it's a pain in the neck. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to try to do it I don't know what to call it, the old-fashioned way. Just remove that one, and while the thing is kind of coolant is gushing out all over the place, I'm going to try to put my finger in there and try to jam the new one in place and tighten it. So I know. Wanna have to think about that, but that's, I think, the easiest approach. So stay tuned.